Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update the team's desktop app and confirm camera permissions so the feature appears. Once done, join the meeting or open the preview window and click the 3 dots for more actions. Make sure you select Show Background Effects from that menu. This immediately loads the background panel on the right. You want to be in the meeting view so you can preview changes in real time, and you'll see built-in options, plus a blur or custom background button. You now pick how to remove the background. Choose blur to keep focus on you without replacing the scene, or select a built-in background to set context. If you need branding or a consistent look, click Add New and upload a high-resolution JPG or PNG. Make sure the subject is centered in the frame so cropping works well. Once you select an image, preview it and adjust your position relative to the camera. If the effect looks off, try a different image or the blur option for a quicker result. You finish by clicking Apply to activate the chosen background for the current meeting. This commits the change immediately. Then confirm in the preview that your outline is clean and that no distracting artifacts remain. If edges flicker, reposition further from busy backgrounds and adjust lighting. If the option is missing or performance is poor, make sure Teams is the desktop app, update your GPU drivers, and enable hardware acceleration where available. If problems persist, switch to blur as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.